Hi, this is Ginger Cook, and I want to invite you to participate in a one of our online contests. Okay, usually we do these just for people that are watching our live shows. If you're watching this, John and I are probably traveling, and we thought it would be fun to do a contest where you could see me do this very quick, probably 10-minute painting of and have a chance to own an original Ginger Cook. So the information about how to enter is in our description, and also the dates that you can do this. All right, in case you're watching this in a year from now, of course this painting will already be in somebody's hot little hands. But so I don't care where you live in the world, if you'd like to win this, go ahead and watch the video. Please like our channel, subscribe, share, and enter our contest on winning. It'll be a random drawing for those of you who find the secret word, and in the description, look for the description of that, and in our description and the link to enter the contest. Okay, so I've got these are what I'm going to be doing these on are the Paramount sheets. They're by from Jerry's Artorama sells them, and they're just individual real canvases in a tablet, gessoed canvases. And what we do when we have leftover paint, John and I, is we just pick something that we think would be nice. You know, and we take all our leftover paint and you know, just paint it so that, you know, maybe, you know, this was probably a background I was doodling on, but I can certainly paint over that. So that, I think for the painting I want to do today, I would either do red or purple, and I don't think I have a good purple as opposed to a bad purple. I know what you're saying. What do you mean a good purple? Well, you know what? We'll just do red. I think that's fun. I like the red background. And I'll take a piece of paper and put underneath that, like so. And just move this out of the way. And so what you want to do is pay attention, you know, is these are my Posca pens. I'm using the colors that I normally use to paint stuff. This is our titanium white. And I'll probably do several of these because, like, when John and I travel, this is a fun thing for me to do. Here's a little purple. I'll use a little phthalo green because that's a beautiful bright color. A little bit of yellow. These are all Holbein paints, and I really love the colors in these. I've got a whole bunch of new ones coming, thanks to a friend who gave me a set, which was really nice, because you guys probably know that we pretty much we pay for all our stuff. And incidentally, if you're having fun with this and you want to, when you're over there at our website, you know, check out our website. That's just the regular red. Check out our website. We've got some fantastic videos of tutorials on our website, and you can do it. You know, just join for a week for like you know, under $10, which is kind of neat. Access to all of them. All right, so I guess my Posca pens are here. I think this is the perfect painting to do this with. I'm going to take a point like this. Okay, here we go. Here's our. All right, so that's going to be pretty much my focus of this picture. See, I want an angle brush. I love these little ruby satin silver angle brushes. Take some white, yellow, little magenta. And I forgot to put out well, this can be drying. Let's put a little more magenta, maybe some cad red medium, a little more yellow. Now, a little more white. Notice I'm not putting it over there. Putting it right here. I want it a little bit pinker. There we go. So now I'm going to just cover this oval, this sort of egg shape, with this. We just thought a contest would be fun. You know, we always do the live giveaways. You know, if you're watching a live show of ours, then we do these contests. And I know that not everybody, because of where they live or, you know, they're working or whatever, can participate in our live shows. So we thought this would be sort of fun to have a kind of a marathon of these when we're not doing any live shows. Just you know, release a bunch of them, and every day they'll be different. Every day there's a secret word, and when we are back in their studio, we will then do a drawing, probably live on one of our shows, but we'll let people know regardless of whether they've won or not. Okay, so that's the idea behind this. I was gonna try to set a timer on this. I forgot. Get to talking to you guys and I forget. So anyway, the idea is to do this fairly expediently. So now, while that can be drying, I'll put out the other blues I've got. This is Ultramarine Deep and Phthalo Blue. And let's see, what were the other colors? Because I'm going to use all these colors. Aren't they pretty? Don't you think they just look great? I don't want umber. I want some bright, cheerful colors. Here we go. Here's some Head Yellow Medium. I love all the colors. You know, when you first, it's like getting new school clothes. You know, in the fall. Remember when you went to school, getting all these new school clothes? It was so the first day, you know, maybe you had 2 or 3 outfits. First day of school was always so fun. You know, by Thanksgiving you were kind of over it, but it was always fun the very first day. All right, so I think I'm going to take a little purple and a little blue, a little white, maybe these 3 colors, and just now this is fun. This is my fun part. This is the part I love about this painting. Just a fun thing to do. And if you're interested in doing more abstract people, you know, portraits and figures, we have a really good tutorial on YouTube on how to do that. I mean, I love it. I think it's one of our better ones, and it's sort of dedicated to my sister who passed away some years ago, named Jeannie. All right, now I've got enough different colors on here. I'm just going to take a second and dry that. All right. Hi, this is Ginger Cook. Now you may have noticed in this video that you're probably just seeing my hands. Maybe I shot this in my studio and we didn't do a live video. And sometimes we're traveling, sometimes we have extra videos in case someone's just, for whatever reason, can't shoot a live YouTube show. However, if you like the format and you like the really in-depth focused instruction that you're getting here, check out my website, gingercooklive.gallery, because I have over 300 videos like this where it's just me talking to you about how to paint something, whether it's from a beginning artist painting to an advanced artist with videos over 4 or 5 hours long. That's what we've got, and personal art coaching to help you improve as an artist. So if this is the type of format you like, then you need to be a member of our Art Academy, gingercooklive.gallery. Okie dokie. Now, rinse the brush and let's try some of this light green again. There, it's not going to blend in well with that. There we go. Here's a little bit of yellow, and this, oh, that's a nice green too. This is a beautiful bright green. Okay, now I want a little bit of dark blue. Come back in here. I don't have to dry too much in between my blues because, you know, blue and green, you know, they're all kind of you know, they all kind of interchange. Okay, now kind of just say that there's that. You get into purple, then you get into some of the red tones, and I'm letting some of the red background show through. And so now I'm just going to take a pen here, and I'm going to come up here about this far. Okay, there we go. Now I've got a little bit of a kind of a bit of an outline of what I want to do, and there's my blending medium. You guys ever use this stuff, this golden blending medium? This is really nice. John said he fixed it so it would open for me. Let's see. Not so much, John. All right, I hate to do this because it always dumps out too much, but I'm going to try to do a drop of it. There. Okay. This is instead of water. If you want your paint to spread a little bit and you don't want to use water, this is what this is for, kind of this glazing medium. Okay. This is why you dry, so you can erase. Okay, there we go. Now I think I need a little brush for the rest of this. Wish I have a smaller one here. All right, now. Now I'm in real red paint, and this other stuff's got to be dry or this doesn't work. This is why we're talking about layers like that. And I want to come up a little closer to the face with this. Let's try a little of this color. All right, so there we go. So now we are no two of these paintings will be the same. Okay, absolutely will not be the same. We're almost done here. Okay, so there we go. That's our picture. I'm going to sign it. If you would like to be, if you'd like to win the original Ginger Cook, and you think this would be fun to win, then follow the instructions at the beginning of this video, and we'll also put them down in the description below about how you can win it. There will be, make sure that you notice the date on it, because these will be left up. All right, so that, this is, make sure that when we do these that you have the date in mind, because we'll put that also in there. All right, so okay, now if you like that one, I just remind you again, you can come back to on YouTube. This is Genie. This was done with just 3 colors and black. You see, it's a little different than that, but on the same idea. If you want to kind of get a sense of how to do some abstracts, and on our website, this is a painting I did of John. It's a much more gingercooklive.gallery, much more elaborate type of abstract for abstract portrait, but one of my favorites. I absolutely love this. I think it so captures him. So it's probably my favorite painting I've done this year. So anyway, if you think you'd like to do that, then try that. Please subscribe to the channel. Tell others. Let's turn this over like this so you can kind of see it. And there we go. Hope somebody really enjoys winning this.